Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. So guys, good news to the Luno users, especially Nigerians. You can now once again add and remove funds to your Luno account. Yeah, so you can recall guys, a few months ago, the federal government or the CBN placed a restriction on on crypto exchanges, not allowing the citizens or Nigerian citizens to buy cryptocurrencies using any exchange platform. Okay, so guys, since the restrictions on deposits and withdrawals came into effect, the Luno team has been working tirelessly to give their customers access to their funds once again. So guys, we really appreciate their work, to make this to make it possible, to make this possible for the users to once again access their funds, deposit and withdraw. And they also thank their users for their patience during this time. So guys, to buy and sell crypto using vouchers, you must first update your Luno app to the latest version. So let's confirm if our Luno app is updated. Okay, that is it guys, it's already updated. Okay, so click open, you click open here. So to deposit funds into your Luno account, you move over to wallets. Okay, so sorry guys, there's nothing here. I have an empty wallet, just 122 naira, and I know that you guys watching this video, you guys are capable. You guys are really capable to fund this wallet for me. It's now possible for you to fund wallet. Okay, so you can actually begin or start from funding my own wallet. So by the way guys, so once if you have to deposit here, you click on the NGN account. That's the Nigerian wallet that's here. So you click on deposit. Alright guys, now to deposit money into your Luno account, it's no more with the use of credit card or all that. So they have actually devised a means, of using voucher, through a payment partner. So they said deposit money with a voucher. Add money to your Luno wallet by creating a voucher and redeeming it with us. Okay, so guys, so here you see two buttons or two links saying create voucher and redeem voucher. So this one here, the create voucher, means you have to create a voucher. That's any amount you want to deposit into your Luno account. You have to create a voucher, like the amount you want to, just like recharge cards. Okay, just like airtime recharge card, like MTN, Glow, all that. So you creating a voucher means you want to buy a voucher that you want to redeem. Redeeming the voucher means you want to deposit the voucher into your Luno account. So guys, first of all, you move on to create voucher. So you now have to input the amount you want to deposit. That's 20,000. Let's just use 20,000 as a point of example. Okay, 20,000. Alright guys, you say pay for your voucher. You have to pay for your voucher. It's not free. You're not making use of a credit card, and you're not transferring from your bank account. So you have to buy a voucher. So okay, so they now say you'll be redirected to our payments partner to create a voucher which you can redeem with us. So this actually means there's a partner, there's a third party where you buy the voucher, then come to the Luno app to redeem the voucher, which will now be turned to a deposit. And it will now appear in your Nigerian account as a deposit. Okay, so this is just normal, like buying recharge card from the vendors out there. The woman out there selling recharge cards and all those stuff, then charging to your phone. So this is just like buying the voucher the buying the voucher from the payment partner, then coming to Luno to now load the voucher in order for your account to be funded. Okay, so here the amount is 20,000 and the fee is 2%, which is 400 naira. Then the total amount to be paid is 20,400. Okay, so you now click continue to pay. So guys, you guys can see the payments partner has to be happens to be afritickets.com. So this is the legitimate payment partner. Through these people you can actually buy a voucher, and then redeem it into your account, for your account to be funded. You get my point, okay? So here you put your card details, here the normal expiry date, and here the CVV. Then you click pay. So once you have clicked pay, they send the voucher details to your mobile number and email, okay, so that you can actually make use of it anytime you want to use it to fund your account. So guys, so once you have received your voucher, you now go back to the normal process of clicking here deposit, and then you click on redeem voucher. Okay, so you guys can see this. It said redeem your voucher. To add money to your Luno wallet, enter the voucher details our payments partner sent to your mobile number and you get my point, your email address, blah blah blah. Okay, so that is it, guys. So you now input the voucher number here, the voucher pin, the expiry month, the expiry year, and the security ID. Okay, so guys, that is it. Then you now click on redeem voucher. Once the system validates your voucher, your account gets automatically funded immediately with that particular or with the value of the voucher you bought. Okay, so that is it to deposit into your Luno account. So next thing, guys, is to withdraw your funds. If you want to withdraw your funds, you go to your Naira wallet, your Naira wallet. Okay, you now click on the withdraw. Okay, they said introducing voucher payments. With voucher payments, you now have a secure and instant way to withdraw from Luno. Next, creating your voucher. Simply tell us how much you want to withdraw and we will create your voucher. So guys, here you have to tell them how much you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw 100,000, if you want to withdraw 1 million, even if you want to withdraw 1 trillion, you have it. You just create a voucher for you. Then you take your voucher and redeem it. Then last but not the least, redeeming your voucher. Okay, so you can then redeem your voucher to a bank account that you own. The money will be sent directly into your bank account. You don't need to call any Bitcoin vendor again. Hello, I want to transfer Bitcoin to you. Send me the money. You shouldn't be afraid of anyone sending or your cryptocurrency to any vendor or any person at all, being a stranger, to send money to your bank account. Right now, you'll be able to do everything yourself. Okay, from the comfort of your home, you just have to redeem your voucher. Then it will be created for you. They redeem it into your bank account. Okay, now click next. So here you just have to put how much you want to withdraw to voucher. So once you have inputted the details, maybe let's just say you want to withdraw 1 million. This is 1 million naira. You want to withdraw 1 million naira. Okay, then you now input 1 million naira here. Then you now click on next. If you click next, the voucher. If I click next, it will tell me that I don't have money because I don't have money. So you guys, I don't have money. What I have is 1 naira. You can see my wallet is just 1 naira. You guys can actually deposit into my wallet, so you can be able to withdraw this 1 million. Or would you guys be happy if you should all withdraw this 1 million and use it for something good? So that's by the way. So if you not input the amount you want to withdraw, okay, you now click next. So guys, a voucher will be created for you. So you just to create a voucher, and this voucher will be redeemed, and once it has been redeemed by you, it will now be sent directly into your bank account. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, share and like this video. Also, don't fail to click the notification button to receive our future updates and videos. Okay.